Hey there! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create an amazing logo for your own YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your brand, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. The first step in creating a YouTube channel logo is defining your brand. Take some time to think about your channel's identity, niche, and target audience. Consider the overall theme, colors, and style that align with your content. This will help guide your logo design process and ensure it resonates with your viewers. Now that you have a clear idea of your brand, it's time to gather some inspiration. Look around YouTube and explore existing channel logos in your niche. Pay attention to the current trends and styles, as they can give you great ideas for your own logo. Grab a pen and paper and start sketching rough concepts for your logo. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The goal is to get your ideas down on paper. Try different shapes, fonts, and symbols that reflect your channel's theme and personality. Next, it's time to choose the right design software for creating your logo. Options like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, or GIMP are popular choices. Select a program that suits your skills and budget. Now, let's dive into the actual logo creation process. Start by recreating your sketches in the design software. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and icons to find the perfect combination that represents your channel. Remember to keep your logo simple and easily recognizable. Avoid cluttering it with too many details. Clean and minimalistic designs often work best for logos. Once you have your logo design ready, test it out in different sizes and on various devices. Make sure it looks good and remains clear and recognizable. If needed, make adjustments to enhance its visual impact. Once you're satisfied with your logo, it's time to export and save it in a suitable file format, such as PNG or SVG. This ensures that you can use it on different platforms and in various sizes without any loss of quality. Optional step. If you want to add some flair to your logo, consider animating it. Tools like Adobe After Effects or online platforms like RenderForest can help you create simple animated intros or outros for your YouTube videos. Lastly, remember to protect your logo. Consider trademarking it to safeguard your brand identity. Research the trademark registration process in your country or seek legal advice if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created an amazing logo for your YouTube channel. It's time to showcase it proudly and let it represent your brand across all your content. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your YouTube channel logo. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like us to cover. Until next time.